Roller door repair for your garage. To enjoy its benefits, longer roller door installation for your garage offers a number of advantages, making them a popular choice for the homeowners. This protects the home against rain and wind. People install this in the garden shed and garage to secure the expensive equipment, tools, and vehicles. This gives the required protection to the interiors against environmental elements and harsh weather. During inclement and poor weather condition, it shuts your home against hail damage. There is reduction in the outside noise as well. The external vehicle and neighborhood noises may disrupt the concentration and focus for work or rest. It is possible to minimize the noise with garage roller door installation and thus transform your home. The choice of door depends upon the functional feature and appearances. This shutter reduces 80% external noises entering the home. To get the best results with noise reduction, use glass blocks with the roller shutters. The second important benefit adding to the popularity is home insulation, as this stops the heat movement by 90% maximum and minimize the cold by 70%. It reduces the heat loss in winters by 70%. The external fitting of the shutters form insulating air pockets so the heating time indoors decreases. During the freezing months you can enjoy the warm indoors. It is necessary to get on with any roller door repairs in Melbourne needed without wasting time. This type of doors increases the safety of the home against intruders. The best doors have virgin aluminum material, minimal gapes, powerful motors, non-rust material, manual lock, and locking system like wind clips. This saves on the utility bills and by saving energy costs of the home. The doors have high heat retention capabilities, so the bills are low. The features reducing the energy costs with higher insulation capabilities are the following. Powder coating, fast operation of motor, good thermal insulation with foam-filled lath sealing technology. The main roller door components are rolling mechanism and main door, but you can customize the required features and specifications and the manufacturers can design accordingly. The main material used for designing is steel, offering both flexibility and durability. Today manufacturers are installing features like anti-scuffing technology like top mini grove sheets for door curtain. They also offer remote gates and automatic systems as per the customer requirements. There is an unlimited choice in color and design element for these doors. Based upon your preference, they can powder coat a color, customize this to suit the building design, and this blends with the exterior as well. The tough design of the door makes them resistant to extreme weathers as storm and cyclone. The makers give preference to suitable built and wind rating besides imparting weatherproofing features. This keeps away the debris and rains from getting through the crevices. Conclusion: the installation of the roller doors offers multiple benefits to the homeowners. This includes effective insulation, energy-saving features, noise reduction, safety against intruders, and protection against inclement weather. Timely and cheap garage door repair ensures that the home remains more comfortable and safer as expected as the door works smoothly and effortlessly.